Welcome back to my channel, Mr. Amazon. If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for more Amazon business tips. Today's video is super important for every new virtual assistant out there, because we're talking about the most asked question: how to find clients for Amazon services, especially if you're just starting out and have no connections. This video is for you. And yes, we'll be covering Facebook and LinkedIn step by step. Let's be honest, you can learn all the skills: product hunting, sourcing, listing optimization, but if you don't get clients, you're stuck, right? So learning how to hunt clients effectively is just as important as learning Amazon. Now let's start with Facebook, one of the best free tools for client hunting. Facebook isn't just for memes and scrolling reels. It's a goldmine of business opportunities, if used right. So here's exactly what you need to do. 1. Join the right groups.
Search for groups like Amazon FBA Private Label, Wholesale FBA, Amazon Sellers USA/UK, e-com brand owners.
Make sure you join groups with real sellers, not just VAs or freelancers. 2. Optimize your profile. Your Facebook profile is like your mini landing page. Make it look professional. Update your profile picture, cover photo, bio, featured post. Your bio or featured post should clearly say what you do. For example, helping Amazon sellers grow with product research, sourcing, and listing services. This helps potential clients know who you are at a glance. 3. Provide value before you pitch. Don't just spam people with, "I'm a VA, hire me." That never works. Instead, start giving value through comments. Let's say someone posts, "How do I find a winning product?" You reply with a short, helpful tip. Try looking for products with 7K to 25K monthly search volume, low reviews, and steady demand. Helium 10 is great for this. You just showed expertise without selling anything. That builds trust. People will start noticing you. They'll reply to your messages more often, or even message you first. 4. Daily outreach. Be consistent. Set a target for daily messaging. Start with 10 people a day. Keep it short and professional. "Hey, name, I saw your post in group name. I help Amazon sellers with product research and sourcing. Let me know if you're ever looking for support." And don't forget the magic words. No pressure, just happy to connect. Simple, clean, and effective. In short, Facebook is powerful. You just need to treat it like a business tool. Now let's talk about LinkedIn, the most underrated platform for high-quality clients. Most VAs ignore LinkedIn, and that's a mistake. This is where serious business owners hang out, especially from USA, UK, and Canada. So let's break it down. 1. Build a killer profile. First impression matters. Make your profile look polished and client-friendly. Use a professional picture. Write a strong bio. Mention any certifications. Highlight your Amazon services. Your headline should be clear and searchable. Amazon Virtual Assistant, Product Research, FBA Wholesale, helping sellers grow. This tells people exactly what you do. 2. Search for potential clients. Now go to the search bar and type keywords like Amazon brand owner, e-commerce founder, FBA seller. Then filter by location, USA, UK, or Canada. These are high-converting regions with big seller communities. Visit their profiles and look for clues. Do they run a private label brand? Do they post about Amazon FBA? If yes, they're your potential clients. 3. Connect with a purpose. When sending a connection request, don't just click connect. Always add a short note. For example, "Hi, I work with Amazon sellers to help grow their business through research and sourcing. Would love to connect." No selling, no links, no pressure, just a friendly intro. Once they accept, you can start engaging. Comment on their posts, like their content, build rapport. Then, after a few days, you can introduce your services. Say something like, "Thanks for connecting. If you ever need support with product research or wholesale sourcing, happy to help anytime." That's it. No pushy pitch, just a natural client journey. So that's your full strategy for finding Amazon clients using Facebook and LinkedIn. Join the right groups, optimize your profile, provide value first, reach out daily, build long-term trust. Clients don't come overnight, but with consistency and value, they definitely come. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, drop your questions in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one, only on